Okay, guys, a little break in the video because I get disrupted here. But for the most part, this drawer here actually has like some nice line-up tools, things like that, with a chisel end. I like these, so whenever I see them, I actually try to get my hands on them. I like these tools. The coal punches, different flavors. Actually, that one's broken, but line-up punches, same thing with a chisel end, older craftsman. But like I said, that's okay. We come across these, we pick them up. So there's some files in there too. Different files, but we get some regular punches here. Old Mac, cold chisels. Some of the stuff for the air hammer, chisel points, the different styles, snap-on, bent chisel end. That's good for shearing off ball joint, rivet heads. I've used this one a lot for that. A couple of them are busted up. This one right here that's actually the one I picked up. But yeah, that one's gonna go bad. Extractor. But let's go to the next drawer down. This one's got all screwdrivers in it, different variety. Looks like a rainbow in there, a lot of different colors. It's okay though. I like the brighter ones. If you're gonna ask me which ones I like the most, it's gonna be orange. Pick up green when I can get green. Other tool truck brands I like. Every so often I'll grab one of those as well. But yeah, a little nice variety of those in there. That drawer's getting pretty full. So let's go to the next one down. We're gonna go through all of them. A few hammers in this one. Radiator tool for taking the cap off, so radiator cap tool. You don't use that too often. Sometimes you do. Nice to have. Matco dead blow hammer. It's got the shot in it, so it's shot peen. Nice to have. I believe it's a 4 or 5 pound one. Copper hammer. Looks like some body tools in there as well. A couple pry bars. They're down there buried. Exhaust hanger. Donut stretcher. They call these donut stretchers. Nice to have. Every once in a while, call a place I found those. Those are nice to have. Scraper. Some more screwdrivers. I don't have all the screwdrivers up there. Sometimes they find themselves into the next drawer down once in a while. You get some number kits here, letter kits. Nice for stamping, things like that. All metal, U.S. made. Basically machine shop quality. So let's go to the next drawer down. Noid set, older stuff. You're going to use this on a lot of times. Different varieties. Mostly for older cars. I think they're all Mac tools. All different styles. Can't really read that one. It's very small. But instruction manual is going to tell you what goes to what, anyways. Again, made in the U.S. like that. The tire and hubcap remover right here, made by Snap-on. I use that a lot, especially on stubborn hubcaps. Scraper, Matco tools, thin one. That's for like thin It's like real thin areas. Get yourself into real tight areas with that one. So put that back. Actually, before we put that back, just a little oddball stuff in here. Do the quick disconnect kit right here. And that's pretty handy to have, especially if you get a whole set of them. How this got in here, I don't know. It's just an Allen key for one size. Let's go to the next one down. I got some 4 jaw pullers here. Special application. Stuff like this. Pretty handy to have. It's nice to have. 2 jaw puller. Same thing. Nice to have. If you run into some special applications. That's the old cleaning brush right there. And right here, this is actually bent handle pry bar, and what this is good for is for you're on a brake job. You have that bent handle there. They do that on purpose, so you can actually put some force behind it, and you can remove the caliper from the carrier pretty easily with this tool. I like this one, so every time I'm doing a brake job, this is my go-to right here. I like that one. It's hiding in there. Blue Point coolant system analyzer, which is your test kit in there. I'm not gonna go to at the bottom because it's mostly just like bolt pullers and stuff like that, so it's really not too interesting because they're in bags. Harmonic balances, stuff like removal tool, stuff like that, almost like the pullers and gear pullers, stuff like that, but they're all in bags. So let's go to the next one down. The last drawer here. Last one, you got a little bit of a variety of flavors in here. It's actually helicoil set here, repair kit. A little different flavors in there, a little different variety. I don't use this a lot, but this is nice to have when you come up with a problem, especially designed for spark plugs. That's why I like to use that rubber starting tool, because a lot of times people just start the plug without finger tight. They try to use a ratchet on it right away, and if you ask me, not a good idea. Especially if you want to start taking heads off and stuff like that, and end up with some big problems. That's, if you ask me, that's where you're going to end up finding yourself by doing that. So let me take this up real quick. And right here, specialty stuff for braking rotors. It's a wear indicator made by Fowler. Nice tool. All instruction manual right here. This is a nice tool to have. You can find a lot of things with this tool. That is nice to have. When I was a Massachusetts State Inspector, you're required to have one of those. So, back up here. I'm going to put this up here. Go down here. Get some more miscellaneous stuff. Some stuff I even forget I have. Pin set. This you're not going to use a lot. Maybe on the older school stuff. Made by Mac Tools. This would be a wrench here, and let's get inserts all in here. All different flavors, all different sizes. Most of these, it tells you the models you're gonna find them on, but you'll find out when you go to go to trial fit it. So that's what that's all about. Put it on back. So we got Cornwell axle spindle rethreading kit. A lot of times if you want to restore threads on the CV axles, this is the tool to use right here. Hopefully you're not in that spot, but if you are, this is the tool you want to use. Again, when you're in that position where you get the nut on there, you don't want to mushroom the end of that CV axle. That's for sure, because you'll be ended up using this to fix it up. You don't want to do that. So right here, there's a multimeter in here. I don't want to dig it out because if I go to do that, we're going to end up with a big mess on our hands. So down here, not too much used battery filler. So we got a max steering puller set. Take your pump off. This is a good handy tool to have if you have to take off the pulley. All your components are in here. Your pullers, your cups, things like that. So everything you need is pretty much in this box. Got that back off. Okay. Bottom here. We get a battery kit here, which you have your pliers, your battery puller, your cleaner brush, your battery terminal cleaner. That's very handy to have. Very good to have that set. Every once in a while I use that one, especially here we're in New England. We come up with that a lot. Torque wrenches. We got a snap-on down here. There's and that's a 3/8 drive. This one's a 1/4 inch, which I believe 1/4 inch. A lot of times you are going to use because, especially on transmission pans and things like that. I'm using that a lot with that stuff because if you just decide to yoink them on there, more than likely you're gonna end up either breaking them or stripping them. Take it from me, I've done that a few times, so I know the deal there. But all in all, give you guys a quick overall in that 53-inch box, Snap-on Heritage Series. This is the second part of that video, but I want to give you guys a lot better video than I did the first 2 times that I've ever pulled a video down. So I'm hoping you guys like this one. Anything I did wrong or you would have improved on, let me know. I'm up to hear about it. So if you can, please subscribe to my channel. All the subscribers that subscribe to my channel, I appreciate. Thank you guys so much. And you guys out there, thank you for the support. Not making money on this, I'll tell you that right now. If I give you guys an overall on something or a review on something, it's gonna be from the heart. It's gotta be the real deal. Anything like that, because I tell it like it is in my videos, and that's pretty much it. I don't sugarcoat anything. I like to tell it like it is, whether you like it or you don't like it, and that's usually the way I do it. So, like I said, and I'm not doing it for money. So, you guys have a great day. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel. Love you to. And take it easy. I'll see you guys next time around.